Hello, this is Frank Melton, and this is another in the series of YouTube videos about growing plants. Today I'm going to be talking about beneficial insects. And there's quite a few beneficial insects that can kill pest insects. And you may already have them in your garden area or landscape, or you can also purchase them and put them in your landscape. Now this one is a big-eyed bug. It's a general predator that kills several different kinds of insects. This is a green lacewing larvae. Now it's really a straight-sided larvae, but it looks like it's bigger than it really is because it's carrying the cast skins of the insects it's killed on its back. So it may look like a piece of trash crawling across a leaf. And this is the brown lacewing adult, and this is the green lacewing larvae. And notice this is the long insect here in the middle, and then in the upper right is an aphid that it's sticking to kill. Now these white things are cast skins of dead insects. This is a green lacewing adult, and this is a green lacewing eggs. Now these little white broad things on the end of these strings is an egg case, and they lay their eggs on these strings, and they could do this on a leaf or on a 2x4 or greenhouse frame, but don't spray those. These are all things you shouldn't spray. This is a ladybug. They kill aphids, and they can kill some other soft-bodied insects. Now this is the larvae of the ladybug, and it kills aphids. It can kill quite a few aphids in a day. This is another ladybug, and this is another ladybug larvae. This is a twice-stabbed lady beetle, and it can kill aphids, or I've had an example of that. I've had experience with that, cleaning off scale exoskeletons or scale skins. I've had a wasp that will lay an egg in the scale, and as it hatches out, it would kill the scale. And then this lady beetle here, this twice-stabbed lady beetle, would come along and clean those skins off. It eats the skins off. This is a minute parrot bug. Now this will kill thrips in flowers. Normally thrips are, what they bother mostly is zinnias or marigolds or flowers that the thrips can get down into, and they discolor the flowers and make them misshapen or not formed well. Now this is a Mealy Bug Destroyer. Notice how these hairs on it are thick and white, and they stand straight up out off the Mealy Bug Destroyer. Now a normal mealy bug will be have hairs that go straight back. Now this is a picture of a two-spotted spider mite in the upper center, and then these two orange looking mites are beneficial mites that you can order, and it will kill this two-spotted spider mite. Here's another picture of it here, of a close-up of one of those beneficial mites. This is an aphid that has been parasitized by a wasp. Now the wasp is a small, very tiny wasp that doesn't sting people, but it will sting aphids, and as the eggs hatch out inside, they'll cut a hole in the outside of the aphid and fly out. But this is something you don't need to spray because it's already dead. This is one of the beneficial wasps, and it's very, very small. You can barely see these with a naked eye. This is another beneficial wasp, and this is one that is laying an egg in this scale or some other insect here, and it's going to eat the eggs will hatch and eat the inside out, and then the insect will die, the pest insect will die. And this shows some scale that's been parasitized. You see all these holes in the scale, and that's where beneficial wasps have hatched inside and cut their way out of the scale and kills them. This is red Ashersonia fungus growing on a scale. And this is something that you would like to have because it will kill the scale. And so it's not something to spray. This is another beneficial wasp, this yellow insect in the middle here. And then at the upper center and upper right are whitefly.